Today, I have another Polybag, LEGO Minecraft 30647, the Dripstone Cavern. This Polybag, much like the last I reviewed, is really a pack focused around the figures inside, which are Steve, a green creeper, and an orange axolotl. Flipping it around, we can take a sneak peek at the 45 total included pieces, which always look great, but I've had enough peeping. Let's open it up. Opening it up, we get a better look at all the pieces included within. Pointing out things that are notable, I'll start with the instruction paper, but that's to be expected. Again, what really shines here is the figures and their unique pieces used to build them. None of these parts are exclusive to the set, but the orange axolotl is only in one other set though, which I think is worth noting. I'm gonna be giving you a closer look at the figures and how they're built next, so just stick around. Starting with our only actual minifigure, we have Steve, which is a very common one in the line, but if you had to include one, it always should be him or Alex. Seen here, I'm equipping him with the iron pickaxe that came in the set. You can argue that you'd like to see a unique figure, but the way I see it is this is a nice way for people to get Steve if they may not be able to splurge on larger, more expensive sets that include him. Moving on, we have the green creeper, which is actually my first, despite it being in 21 other sets. That's almost as common as Steve himself. While nothing unique, it is still really nice, and again, this Polybag is a cheap way to get one. This one should find its way into my custom world at some point. What really is the standout is actually the smallest of all three figures, the orange axolotl. Again, coming in only one other set, the Guardian Battle. This is by far the one you save the most money on by buying this set instead. Along with these figures, you still get a build, which was really simple, but that's to be expected from something that is only 35 pieces. It was really fun to put together and captured the same feeling that larger Minecraft sets at a higher price point do. It has a layer of verticality to it, unique features in the dripstone, and includes the building of a play feature alongside an ore block. That to me is all the main staples of a LEGO Minecraft set, and to get that building experience in a $5 set made me super happy with my purchase. Now, looking over the build, we get to see what may be my new favorite Polybag experience from LEGO. Again, the structure includes everything you would want from a LEGO Minecraft build. You can see now with more depth the verticality in the build, which always makes a better LEGO set in my opinion. The diamond ore is a nice inclusion because is there honestly anything more iconic than diamonds in Minecraft? Now I start adding the figures into the build, which is when I think this Polybag really comes to life. Putting Steve up top, it looks like he's looking down, deciding if he should go deeper into the mine. The creeper, creeping, keeps Steve from wanting to go further. Then, the orange axolotl makes perfect use of the water tile. Everything just comes together. Thank you for watching. If you enjoyed the review, give it a like. Subscribe if you want to see more in the future. Stay crazy.